Welcome back, scholars. So today we're going to listen to another nursery rhyme about kings and queens. And this rhyme is called Sing a Song of Sixpence. Now, it was written a long time ago, and it has a special word in there, sixpence, that you may have never heard of. So a sixpence is another word for money. Pence is a British word that means penny. So if you have a sixpence, that means you have 6 pennies. In this nursery rhyme, you're also going to hear the word rye. And rye is just a type of grain that you would grind up to make flour, and then that flour is used to make bread. So that's how we get rye bread, from the rye grain. So let's get to our nursery rhyme. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Now wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in her parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes, when down came a blackbird and pecked at her nose. So our questions for this story are, who are the 3 people or characters in this rhyme? What were the king, queen, and the maid doing? What kind of special pie is described in the rhyme? Why would someone give a special pie to a king? Remember to upload your answers to Remind or Class Dojo.